word peaceful has now been replaced with firm. By this man, Li Qiang. He's China's premier, less than a year into office.
Okay. Gets po natin. So, kung nung una, itong China, gusto nila magkaroon ng peaceful reunification. Ngayon pala, hindi na. Binitawan na nila. At ngayon nagsalita na po ng mas mabigat na mensahe itong China. So ano ba? I-invade na ba nila yung Taiwan?
He delivered an address to China's rubber stamp parliament today, presented his annual report, and peppered it with some tough talk on Taiwan. Listen to this.
Ayan. Medyo lakasan lang natin para mag-gets natin. Maganda to para magkaalaman, no? Kasi malaking ano to eh. Malaking gulo kapag nangyari. Ang lapit-lapit na ito sa Pilipinas.
We must persist in implementing the party's overall strategy for resolving the Taiwan issue in the new era. Adhere to the One China principle and the 1992 consensus. Resolutely oppose Taiwan separatism and foreign interference.
This is not just a hollow threat. It comes with a bigger military budget.
Yan po yung military budget nila.
This year, Beijing will boost its defense spending. By how much? A little over 7%. So what is the budget for 2024? $231 billion.
Grabe, ang laki. Ang laki ng military budget nila. So sabi po dito, higit pa daw po ito sa doble na budget nila ngayon. Sa military lamang, mga sangka itong Xi administration. Kaya po, umaano dito, kumbaga nagkakaroon po ito ng global concern. Dahil po, anong plano? Anong balak ng China? Bakit sila may ganyan? Invade ba nila? O unahin ba nila itong Taiwan?
Budget for the PLA, the People's Liberation Army this year, $231 billion. It is the biggest increase in 5 years. And these are the numbers which China chooses to reveal. Ask any expert and they'll tell you that the actual figure is higher. China often ends up overspending on its military.
Grabe.
There are parts of the military budget which are kept secret. Like the spending on research and development, they do not declare it to the world.
Okay. So may mga secret budget pa sila.
Last week, the US flagged concerns. It's been worried about China's growing military capabilities. America believes the threat from China is growing. It is entering new battlegrounds, including space. Japan, too, is concerned.
China continues to increase its defense spending at a high level and is rapidly expanding its military capabilities across a wide range of areas without sufficient transparency.
Okay. So ngayon, maraming nakaalarma sa buong mundo. Including itong Japan. Kasi nakita po nila na grabe yung expanding ng budget nila ngayon sa military. So anong purpose? Anong binabalak ng China?